In this After Effects tutorial, we create this 3D cylinder text animation that you see on the screen. Let's go. Alright, let's start with creating a new composition, and then we will be using the standard settings. We can rename this, click OK, and now first thing we do is select horizontal type tool and then type in your text, and then I'll press Ctrl Alt Home and then Ctrl Home to center this into the screen and then center the anchor point, and then I'll press R and then rotate this by 270. And now we want to add two effects onto this text, so we go to Effects and Presets and type in CC Reptile. We add it to the text, and then we also add CC Cylinder. Double click to add, and the font I'm using for this is called Gotham Bold. And now we are gonna play with the settings here, so we expand it to the right until it stops expanding here. So I'll keep this at 905, and I'll do the same to the left, so 905. And then we want to open this rotation settings for CC Cylinder, and I'm gonna change the Z rotation to 90, and then we can change the value of X rotation, so we can play around and see for ourselves. Okay, looking fine. And now I'm gonna leave it like that for now, so I close the settings and then I go to Effects and Presets, add glow effect to this. We add glow effect, and then I pull this up here, and now I'm gonna drop the glow intensity to 0.8, and then increase the glow radius a bit. So what, 70. And now if I zoom in, you will see, if I turn this glow effect on and off, you will see what difference it has made. Okay, looking fine. Now we want to give this an animation, so we open the settings for CC Cylinder and then alt click on this Y rotation, and then we type in this expression. So this is the type of animation we get for this one, and we can also animate the X rotation. So I alt click on this one as well and then type in this expression. Let's have a look at it again.